Hi, welcome to Mycutetoons with Joel. Today we're going to draw Winger from Dragon Rescue Riders. So follow along with me. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to start with the eyes. So first up, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a sort of an almond shaped eye like this. And I'm going to draw a pupil. Sort of a cat-like pupil. There we go, like that. And then from there, I'm just going to make a little line like a brow above the eye. And from here, I'm going to draw a nose. So I'm just going to draw a little nose like this. And maybe the bridge of the nose, like that. I'm going to draw another eye. I'm just going to draw an eye like this with a pupil and a light reflection as well, and again a brow this side. I'm going to take it all the way around the eye and connect it there on the other side. Then right here in the middle, just around there, I'm just going to draw sort of a hole or something in Winger's head like this. There we go. And I'm just going to draw some almost like horns on top of Winger's head, and on this side I'm just going to draw another horn like that as well. There we go. There we go. And now I'm going to do the side of the face, and it's going to go straight into the mouth of Winger. There we go, and just a line there. Good. A nostril, and on the other side a nostril. And now, about the same size, the same height as the mouth, I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to follow it all the way around to the horn. Good. And now for the bottom of the mouth. So, just going to draw a line there and just going to bring it straight back to the head as well. There we go. And now for the neck. So, I'm going to draw a nice curvy line, and then a nice curvy line again, and I'm just going to take it away and I'm going to do this. Good. And then we're going to draw another line up there. Now I want to draw the leg, so from here I'm just going to draw another line out and I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to draw another line there as well, and that's going to be the feet, the legs and the feet. On this side I'm going to start with the feet, so I'm going to draw another line there and another line here at the back, and then I'm going to draw the toes. There's one toe, there's a second one, and there's a third toe as well, and then let's make the fourth one. Here we go, and we're going to draw the nails. There we go, there's the three nails as well. Beautiful. And then on this side, the back leg, I'm just going to draw a little line out, and let's do the other foot as well. So I'm going to start here again, 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to take it all the way around, and that's the foot. We're going to draw the toes again, toe, another toe, and let's make a fourth one right here as well. And then the back foot, there's a toe, there's one as well, and you can just leave it like that. That's the back foot. And now a wing. So our dragon Winger has a wing, so there we go. Just gonna draw a little line like that, and then the bottom of the wing. There we go. There's one wing, and then from here I want you to just draw a sort of a U, and you can draw another one like that as well. Alright, and now we're going to draw the wing. Up here I'm going to draw a line back, all the way back. I'm going to draw it all the way back. There we go. There's another one. Good. And just going to connect it like that. and there's one as well, and good, there we go. Okay, and then we can just complete the wing like that. And now for the tummy. So we have the neck going around, and we're going to continue with it like this. There's the tummy, and now the back leg. Okay, good. There's one toe, and there's another toe as well. Great. There we go, and we just complete it like that. Okay, there's the back leg. The tail, I'm just going to draw a line up, over, like this, go all the way around, and bring it back. Great, and there's Winger. And now let's color in Winger's eye, and then we're done. Good, let's begin. There we go, and now you can take your markers or your crayons or your coloring pencils and you can color Winger in. Thank you for drawing with me, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.